St Editha's Church in Tamworth, Staffordshire, is a remarkable example of medieval architecture and holds the distinction of being the largest parish church in the county. Its origins trace back to the 8th century, during the time when Tamworth served as the capital of the Kingdom of Mercia. The church has undergone several reconstructions due to destruction by Danish invasions in 874 and 943, with significant rebuilding efforts led by figures such as Ethelfled, Lady of the Mercians, and King Edgar in 963. The current structure, primarily dating from the 14th century, was constructed under the guidance of Dean Baldwin de Witney after a devastating fire in 1345. Notable features include a rare double spiral staircase in the west tower and exquisite stained glass windows by artists like Edward Burne-Jones. Today, St Editha's continues to serve as a vibrant centre for worship and community events, reflecting over a millennium of religious and cultural heritage. Tamworth Castle is a well-preserved Norman motte and bailey castle located in the town of Tamworth, Staffordshire, England. Dating back to the 11th century, it has served as a noble residence, royal stronghold, and military post over the centuries. The castle sits atop a small hill overlooking the River Tame and features a great hall, tower, and a series of period-furnished rooms. Today it operates as a museum showcasing over 900 years of history, from Saxon times to the Victorian era.